Check your English in 40 questions. How many can you get right? Ready? Pick the correct option. Answer A, generation. Which spelling is correct? Answer C, glamorous. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer D, practically. Find the best synonym of joyful. Answer C, happy. Which word is a synonym of prevent? Answer B, stop. Pick the opposite of worsen. Answer A, improve. What is the opposite of decry? Answer D, praise. Choose the plural of radio. Answer A, radios. What is the plural form of antenna? Answer B, antennas. What word best completes the sentence? Answer D, he got the devices properly updated. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer B, we had the report written by John. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer D, he said he had been working on the project for several weeks. What does turn the corner mean? Answer C, improve. What does fall short mean? Answer A, fail. Pick the antonym of structure. Answer B, chaos. What is the opposite of clamor? Answer D, silence. What is the opposite of terminate? Answer C, continue. Choose the correct past form of input. Answer A, input. What is the past form of unwind? Answer C, unwound. Which is a synonym of orderly? Answer D, organized. Pick a synonym of alien. Answer A, foreign. Choose a synonym of robust. Answer C, strong. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Heritage. Which word is spelled correctly? Answer C. Activate. Pick the correct option. Answer B. Reasonably. Which option is correct? Answer D. Complicated. What is the plural of maximum? Answer B. Maxima. What is the plural of bakery? Answer D. Bakeries. What is the plural of reply? Answer A. Replies. What is the plural of leaf? Answer B. Leaves. Fill the gap. Answer B. The complexity of the plant required careful review. Can you guess the missing word? Answer D. His openness to innovation makes him a great leader. What word best completes the sentence? Answer B. The box was so heavy that I could barely lift it. What does give someone a roasting mean? Answer D. Criticize. What is meant by hook or by crook? Answer A. Any means. What does iron out mean? Answer B. Resolve. Final stretch. Only 4 questions left. Choose past form of burn. Answer B. Burnt. What is the past form of hit? Answer A. Hit. Choose past form of outshine. Answer C. Outshone. What is the past form of swing? Answer A. Reset. Congratulations! Share your score in the comments and subscribe for more quizzes.